This dance is our 60's dance. And so we start with our feet together, our hands on our hips, and we're ready to go. Bounce. Swim it front. Big arms. And to the back. Big circles. And take it under. Jump it up. Under. Jump it up. Monkey. Get that head going. 2 fingers. Take it under. Jump it up. Under. Jump it up. Swim it front. To back. Keep bouncing. Take it under. Jump it up. Under. Jump it up. Monkey. Two fingers. Take it under. Jump it up. Under. Jump it up. Point front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heels to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we go heel, toe, hop, step, clap, hips. Other side. Toe, hop, step, clap, hips. Again. Hop, step, clap. Just the toes. Just your toes up and down. Good job. And the heels. Good. Take it out, in, other side. And jump it up. Yay, good job. Welcome to Dance and Fit 24/7. I have developed a unique method for teaching kids to dance, some as young as 18 months old. Dance and Fit 24/7 is a great way to try dancing for the first time or add to your existing classes. Take a look around my online dance school and discover all the benefits of dancing, and sign up for a free trial of my dance classes today. Your kids will love it, and so will you.